Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use credit card to pay on our Amazon account. So for that you need to open up your Amazon account and just select the product that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this iPhone. I will just select the very first one as I'm just giving an example of it. Just scroll down a little bit and then you will find this option of buy now. Just click on it, and after that you will be provided with this payment method. Just select this option of pay with debit card or credit card, and then just click on this option of enter card details. After that, just add your card details and make the payment. But in some countries it might not be allowed due to government's rules and regulations. Otherwise you can just go to your account settings, and there you will be able to easily add any debit card or credit card to your account, and then simply use that the card to make payments. But in some countries, since it is not allowed for the Amazon to save the data of personal information like credit card or debit card, you just have to manually fill in the details and pay the price for the product that you want to buy. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.